Hi guys, welcome to another Snazzy Foods cooking video where we make cooking simple. Today, I'm going to be doing my take on the famous Haji Ali sandwich.
Okay, so let's get to it. To start with, I have 5 medium potatoes. I'm just going to peel those quickly. Next, I'll just cut them into little cubes so that we can boil them. Here we go, the potatoes are ready.
In a pot, I've got some water. To this, I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of salt and a teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, so the potatoes have been washed. I'm going to add it to the water. And now let's take it to boil. The potatoes are on the heat. We're just going to cover it and leave it to boil.
Let's just give the potatoes a quick check. They are soft, but they're not even holding onto the knife. I'm going to turn the heat off and drain the potatoes. Be back in a bit. I've drained the potatoes. I'm just going to give it a mash. Our potatoes are nice and mashed. I'm going to set it aside and back to the stove.
In the pot, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Just wait for that to heat up a little. I'm also going to add in a teaspoon of rice seeds. Rice seeds are starting to pop. To this, I'm going to add in some curry leaf, fresh from the stove. Some crushed garlic. Some green chili. Just going to turn down the heat. A teaspoon of cumin and coriander mix, and a little bit of lemon juice. I'm going to add the potatoes back to this. Just give it a good mix. We'll leave this to braise for a few minutes.
Next, I'll just finely chop some fresh coriander.
I'm going to add the finely chopped coriander to the potatoes and just mix that in. Look how lovely that looks.
I'm going to take a slice of buttered bread. To that, I'm going to add some green chutney.
This chutney is basically coriander, chili, but if you want me to do a video on the recipe for this chutney, let me know in the comments and I'll do that next. On top of the chutney, I'm going to add our potato. You can remove the curry leaves as you see them. And to the potato, I'm going to add cheese. I'm using a 3 cheese mix. I'm going to cover that with another slice of buttered bread. And it's off to the toaster. Pop the sandwich in the toaster. Take that out. And there you have my take on the Haji Ali sandwich. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. Please like, share and subscribe. It helps to promote the channel. See you on the next one.